How to send link in Monopoly Go. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So if you want to invite your friends by sending the link, then I'm going to show you how you can do that with the simple process. What you want to do now is tap on the friends option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the green invite button. Now you're going to find two different options. The first one is the orange invite button and the second one is blue invite button. So when you tap on the blue invite, you are directly going to send the link in the messenger. But if you want to send the invite in some other application, then tap on the orange invite button. Once you tap on it, you're going to find the link of Monopoly Go and you simply want to tap on copy. As you can see, the link has been copied to clipboard. Now you can directly send the link using all of these apps as well. Or once you have copied the link, you can simply go to any application and then paste the link and send it in this way. And that's how you send link in Monopoly Go. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.